back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another non-phone work from home job lead for you today. As always, the links to everything I share are always in the YouTube description box below this video. Today's job lead is from the app Class Dojo. Now, if you have children in school, you may have heard of this before. I have personally used the Class Dojo app before to communicate with teachers. They send out notices about assignments that they gave out to the children. My children's school has used this app before. They do have a 4.6 rating on Glassdoor. However, they only have 18 reviews. But today, they are hiring a privacy support specialist. Now, you can work in their San Francisco office. Otherwise, this is remote for the United States. Now, Class Dojo's mission is to give every child on earth an education they love. So they're trying to build a network that connects the teachers, children, and families. But they are hiring a privacy support specialist to handle all privacy requests coming from a variety of users. That can be privacy requests from parents, teachers, tutors, school leaders, or the children themselves. So this is a critical role to provide the community the right support and continue to scale multiple projects. So you'll accurately respond to escalated customer support tickets in a timely fashion. So this is going to be non-phone support through a ticketing system. You'll identify and document product and process improvements that you observe from customer interactions. You'll also work on enhancing any documentation and training materials for their privacy and safety customer support protocols. And of course, you'll work internally with the legal, trust and safety and product teams. Now, they are not requiring any kind of college degree for this position. They do want somebody, however, that has 3 years of responding to escalated customer service requests with ticketing software such as Zendesk. So if you've had some kind of customer support in the past where you've used email, tickets, chat, any kind of online type of customer service, this might be for you. They're looking for somebody who is comfortable handling very sensitive communication and subject matter. Of course, you have to have excellent written communication skills and be comfortable interacting with a variety of audiences. Now, unfortunately, they did not list pay for this position. That's going to have to be asked at the time of the interview. They did not have a privacy support specialist on Glassdoor, but they have a few regular customer service reps, and that looks like anywhere from $47,000 a year all the way up to $50,000 a year reported by this person. And another one that said $53,000 to $59,000 a year. So that's what you can expect, somewhere in the probably $45,000 to $50,000 range. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, feel free to leave anything specific that you're looking for or any comments you have on how I can make this channel better. Leave them down below in the comments section, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.